Right, so hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be doing a rig build. And yes, you can see me playing with my mic pack because I don't know where the hell to put it. Can I still hear myself? Yes, I'm testing myself as well. Yes, I can. Right, so in this video I'm going to show you what tools I have. Some bits are pre-built, most of it's pre-built already because I just took it off the rig. This is the main part of the rig itself. It is from a company called Neewer, and it's their easy one. Let's put that out actually so that I can use it to stand. And let's show you what I have. I have a screwdriver, it's a multi one. Like that. Also I have 3 of these tie wraps, cable ties, which will be used. But let's show you what I have. So we have a Lilliput monitor and mount. It takes 12 volts. We have a Andycine battery plate with battery with ports to connect. So USB, because one of my monitors take USB. This is a dual monitor. D-tap for the camera, 12 volt and 7.5 volt. Safety bracket, HDMI cable, mini to micro, audio amp from Comica. It's a CVM AX1, full size HDMI to full size HDMI, another monitor mount, the Portkeys monitor, which is running on an LPE6 battery to USB dummy. So that's where the USB port will come into. A flycam base plate with a small rig base plate and rods on the Neewer base plate there. And just so that you can see what's going on when I film, the Sony AS200V action camera with arm, and it's the LCD one. So you got the LCD there, but that's an added extra. So now what we're going to do is we're going to build it. So I will put you here. Check if I can still hear myself. I can. I'm actually going to leave that in my ear now so I can hear myself. I'm using the Movo Mic 10P. I couldn't hear myself then. But let's get started. So first, oh yeah, this is the camera. It's a Sony AS, forgotten its name now. It's a Sony AS55 with a small rig 95 matte box on the front in a Camvate cage, I think it is, and it's using the D-Tap to FS50 battery, dummy battery. So if I take that out, that one, there you go. That just slots into there. So let's get this onto here. We use this. So what we do is we're going to put the base plate into the Neewer. Now the reason I have these rods out here is so that if I put if I decide to buy a teleprompter to put on here, I can fit it to this, no problem. Just gonna rotate these out. This is where the monitor would sit, which is this one. Now the reason I have two monitors is because I want to be, because the monitor on here cuts off, so this monitor here would be my monitor, and then this monitor from Lilliput would be the monitor for people to see what they're doing. It's a Lilliput 70 NP field monitor. So we're going to get this on. Like so. And then we wrap the cable around, because we're going to do cable management at the same time. Yeah, I can go that way. I'm going to actually go through the cage, because I want everything nice and clean. Yes, I am a weirdo. So everything will run down the middle. Now this red bit is to grip every wire together. So yeah. The next thing is, oh, there we go. Next thing is this plate, which will be for the monitor. There we go. Some things I will need to use the screwdriver for, but not everything, because as I said, I have pre-built everything. Because literally I had this built and then I just took it apart. So next is the monitor. Now the monitor uses HDMI to micro, and then it converts down the line, which is where this cable comes in. This one here. So we put that on there, lock it in there, lock that in there. There we go. And this one will go through the back and then plug itself in there. Now the only reason why I'm doing cable management at this early stage of the game is because I'm going to be too lazy to do it later. So you can see what I'm doing, yeah. So there's that one. Right, so this HDMI out will actually go to the other monitor that sits here. So we don't need this cable yet. Sorry for that. Sorry about that, guys. I'm back. So yeah, what I was trying to say was that this cable we don't need to use at the moment. We will be using it, but not right now. Now you can probably see on the back it's empty, but that's where these come in. So they will live like that. We don't need them on yet. The next thing is the microphone. So it's got a hot shoe mount on it, and this will go into the come on. It will go into here, and then the HDMI cable will go in there. So what we do is we go into here. It's so difficult doing it one-handed. Like so. Screw it down. Yes, that's screw. It says screw bid. Like that. And then this one will plug into here. Now the only reason why is because this camera particularly requires battery operated power for its microphones to work. Ow, my legs. Right, so this cable will go into the camera next, like so. Make sure you get it in the right way. And we will also do cable management, because it's going to go into here. So this is where the tie wraps will come into, because we will go in over this and then up into the camera like that. So then what we do is we tie it off like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then the next thing I don't know why I'm cutting out, but the next thing is this. So that will go on here. And the monitor, which is this one, with its cable already connected, will go here. Like so. Move it this way. You can go up there now. Alright. So there's the monitor. Hold on. We're still working on the back. So what we do is work out what the hell is going on in regards to everything. And we say, oh, screw it. There we go. So this one will be the only one that is loose off of this. So next is the battery plate. Yeah. And we screw that down. And then we put the, I'm going to call it a safety cage. You can call it what you like. And then we put these blue nuts on the back. Like so. And then we grab this cable and this end we plug into in, and then it goes round the pole through the same hole as everything else, and into HDMI out on the monitor. So that's the cable from there to there. Now, people are going to be asking, why have you got that on your side? I'll tell you why. You know, I said earlier about the camera that you can have externally. That's this one. Well, if we unlock that and screw that in, that's why. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn everything around and we're going to play with some cleaning. We're going to do some wire management. Oh God, it is heavy as well. Right. So like I said, excuse me, at the top we have 5-volt USB, which will be this one. And then we've got D-tap, 12 volts, sorry, which will be this one. No, 7.2. We haven't got a 7.2 on here. We used to, but we don't at the moment. Then we have a D-tap, which is this one, which is the camera itself. And then we have 12 volt, which is this monitor above you. This one here. So first we're going to put 12 volt in. And then we're going to put the D-tap in. Make sure the polarity is correct. So plus to plus, negative to negative. And then we're going to put the USB in. Like so. And then what we're going to do is wrap the USB cable around the top. Tidy most of the cabling up. Oh God. Sorry if I keep cutting out, I don't know what's going on with the microphone. Yeah, there we go. And that will just go behind that blue one there. And there we go. So there we have a rig. So if we go from front to back, we have the small rig matte box on a Sony AS200V, sorry, AS55, the AS200V is there. We have a Portkeys monitor, we have a Camvate, sorry, a Comica amp, a case, a half cage, can't remember the name of it, on a Neewer rig with a small rig base plate and rods and cushion. Sorry. We have a Lilliput field monitor and a Andycine battery plate, battery relock. The battery itself is upstairs. And that's the rig. Oh yeah, and the AS200V is up there. So that's the rig that I will be using, nice and cleaned. Please like, oh, here we go. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.